Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tasks into simple, actionable steps. Today's video is all about how to send money to Questrade, episode 62 in our series. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip on managing your investments. First off, let's quickly recap what Questrade is. It's a popular online brokerage in Canada that helps you trade stocks, ETFs, and more with low fees. But before you can start trading, you need to fund your account. Don't worry, it's straightforward once you know the steps. Step 1. Log into your Questrade account. Head over to the Questrade website or open their app, and use your username and password to sign in. If you haven't set up two-factor authentication yet, I highly recommend it for added security. Step 2. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Funding or Deposit section. You'll usually find this in the main dashboard or under the Accounts tab. It's designed to be user-friendly, so look for icons like a $ or a bank transfer symbol. Step 3. Choose your funding method. Questrade offers options like electronic funds transfer, EFT, wire transfer, or even direct deposit. EFT is often the easiest and free for most Canadian banks. Select EFT if you're in Canada, and you'll be prompted to link your bank account. Step 4. Enter the details. Input the amount you want to transfer, and double-check your bank account information to avoid any errors. Questrade might ask for verification, like answering security questions, to protect your funds. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review everything one last time, then hit submit. Processing times vary. EFTs can take 1 to 3 business days, while wire transfers are faster but might have fees. A quick tip. Always check for any minimum deposit requirements or potential fees from your bank. Also, keep an eye on your account for confirmation emails from Questrade. And there you have it. You've successfully sent money to your Questrade account. Now you can dive into trading or investing. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have questions. What's your next investment move? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.